Hi, this short video is regarding if the system is not recognizing your device as after the installation, when the system is loaded, and after the 25% that device box is not pop up, you need to go to the select device. Just change between, if you have a Q9, you need to choose the SKIO. If you have the SKIO, you need to choose the Q9. Just change between the device view, then open the COM port, click on the COM321, I don't know, which is on your screen. But before that, make sure your device is properly connected with the USB cable and the device is switched on. If that two things is possible, then you can come here, do this changing, COM port, hide, close, search for device, okay. And now the system needs to recognize your device. That's all. Sometimes the system is just lose the connection, so that's why you need to come here and do this process. Very easy, very simple. So you can do this without any technical support. Thank you so much. See you next time.